Shandong and Automobile Technology Co., Limited was established in 2014. It is located in the largest used commercial vehicle trading base in Asia, Liangshan, China. It is also the first used truck dealer of SINOTRUK, and Automobile has won the titles of Director Unit of the China Commercial Vehicles Dealers Association, and Automobile has a complete business chain. It includes new truck inventory, exquisite used trucks, domestic and foreign sales. All used trucks sold are certified by SINOTRUK, and Automobile is embarking on a new journey of professional opera, tie-in with a new brand image and strategic layout. Now, and Automobile has 5 subsidiaries with business covering more than 90 countries and regions around the world. The company has a 5,000 square meter showroom, over 700 pieces vehicles in stock. Buy a reliable truck to end automobile.